you ready? He's good to go. And in the blue audience corner, we have Blackbird. Blackbird, are you ready?
Ready.
All right, that sounds like a time for fight. On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! And Miss Killjoy is off to a bit of a run. That's good. We got Jay. It's extremely strong.
Oh, God.
Hopefully somebody gets thrown to a light and bring it along. That's double foot there. He's starting to lose sledge. Still holding on. This isn't going to be anybody's fight. These flywheel spinners tend to be their own worst enemy. He has to last the whole 3 minutes.
Yes.
30 seconds into the fight. Still seeing some spins. Still seeing some scoops. Still continuing down the undertaking the edge. He's got a wheel.
No.
Now got another wheel, but that's okay. He's got another 4. And if he keeps leading with his wheels, he's going to keep losing them. Fantastic throw. He's down half his wheels. We're down to one clock. He's still moving, and he's not going to give up. Nearly got stuck in the ring there.
Ooh.
Now we're losing some of the nice big framey bits. Blackbird might be stuck on the arena or down at drive side. Like I said, these flywheel spinners are almost enemies. Killjoy's using that to his advantage. The button brought him into the wall. Halfway through this fight, Killjoy's all leaking frame bits.
Get behind him.
You got something hanging out there.
Might want to get your muffler pipe checked real quick. Oh, 77 seconds. There's a lot of limping going on.
One made damage.
Yeah, that's the most damage that we've seen so far. Killjoy keeps dishing his parts out. Blackbird keeps dishing the heads out. Now, the pin is known as a triple fight. Some good hits here and there, though. Gonna do a little bit of twitching. 30 seconds left on the clock. Blackbird has to make sure that he's still got enough battery to not die on us right at the very end. He's done pretty good so far. Slowly but surely learning how to gyro dance. 20 seconds left on the clock.